Hey guys, welcome to this video. Recently, Justice P.C. Ghosh take oath as the first Lokpal of India. In this video, we are going to discuss about Lokpal, history of Lokpal, appointment of Lokpal, members of Lokpal, what are the qualifications, jurisdiction and power of Lokpal. P.C. Ghosh is going to be India's first Lokpal. Justice P.C. Ghosh retired from Supreme Court in 2017 and is a member of National Human Rights Commission. The Lokpal Bill was passed in 2013 and the act involves setting up of Lokpal at the Centre and Lokayukta in state to look into cases of corruption. In India, the Ombudsman is known as Lokpal. History of Lokpal. The institution of Ombudsman first came into being in Sweden in 1713 when a Chancellor of Justice was appointed by the king to act as an invigilator to look into the functionings of wartime government. The concept of Lokpal was first proposed by the Law Minister Ashok Kumar Sen in the Parliament in the early 1960s, and the term Lokpal and Lokayukta was coined by Dr. L.M. Singhvi. Lokpal means Caretaker of People. In May 1969, the Lokpal Bill was passed from the Lok Sabha, but it was not passed from Rajya Sabha. It was again presented in the Parliament in 1971, 1977, 1989, 1996, 1998, 2001, 2005 and 2008 but never passed from the parliament. In 2013, Lokpal Act was passed from the parliament. It received the assent from President Pranab Mukherjee on 1 January 2014 and came into force from 16 January. Why Lokpal was not appointed after the bill was passed in 2013? So the reason is in 2014 Lok Sabha election, none of the parties secured minimum seats which are required to become the leader of opposition. The number of seats are 55 and without the leader of opposition, the Lokpal cannot be appointed. On 27 April 2017, the Supreme Court of India clarified that Lokpal appointment process need not to be stalled due to the absence of the leader of opposition. Now let's understand who appoints the Lokpal. The selection committee for appointing the Lokpal consists of the Prime Minister of India, who is also the chairperson, the Speaker of Lok Sabha, Chief Justice of India, or any other judge of Supreme Court appointed by Chief Justice, opposition leader of Lok Sabha, and eminent jurist appointed by President of India. President has appointed Mukul Rohatgi, the former and 14th Attorney General of India, as the eminent jurist. According to the rules, there is a provision for a chairperson and maximum of 8 members in Lokpal. Out of maximum 8 members, 4 will be judicial and 4 will be non-judicial members. Judicial members are retired Justice Dilip B. Bhosle, retired Justice P.K. Mohanty, retired Justice Abhilasha Kumari, retired Justice A.K. Tripathi, and non-judicial members are Chief of Sahasra Seema Bal Archana Ramasundram, ex-Maharashtra Chief Secretary Dinesh Kumar Jain, Mahinder Singh, and I.P. Gautam. In this, minimum 50% of members will be from SC, ST, OBC, minorities, and women. Now let's look at the qualification of the chairperson. Either the former Chief Justice of India or the former judge of Supreme Court or an eminent person with impeccable integrity and outstanding ability, having special knowledge and expertise of minimum 25 years in matters relating to anti-corruption policy, public administration, vigilance, finance, including insurance and banking law and management. The term of office for Lokpal chairman and members is 5 years and till attaining age of 70 years. The salary allowance and other facilities of the chairpersons are equivalent to Chief Justice of India and member is equivalent to judges of Supreme Court. The source of salary of Lokpal and members will be from consolidated funds of India. If the chairperson dies in the office or has resigned from the post, then the president can authorize the senior most member to act as the chairperson until new chairperson is appointed. Jurisdiction of Lokpal. Lokpal shall not inquire into any matters involved in or arising from or connected with any such allegations of corruptions against Prime Minister, insofar as it relates to international relation, security, internal and external, public order, atomic energy, space, unless a full bench of Lokpal consisting of chairperson and all members consider to invitation and at least two-thirds of members approves such inquiry. All ministers of union or MP except for the matters related to Article 105 of Constitution. Group A, B, C and D officials defined as such under the Prevention of Corruption Act 1988 will be covered under the Lokpal, but any corruption complaint against Group A and B officers after inquiry will come to Lokpal. However, in cases of Group C and D officials, the Chief Vigilance Commissioner will investigate and report to the Lokpal. Any person who is or has been director, manager, secretary of anybody other finance body controlled by central government will come under jurisdiction of Lokpal. Power of Lokpal. Power to superintendence over and to give direction to CBI. If it has referred a case to CBI and the investigating officer in such cases cannot be transferred without the approval of Lokpal. Powers to authorize CBI for search and seizure of operations connected to such cases. The inquiry wing of Lokpal has been vested with the power of civil court. Lokpal has power to give direction to prevent destruction of records during inquiry. Lokpal has power to recommend transfer or suspension of public servant connected with allegation of corruption. Lokpal has power of seizure of assets, proceeds and benefits arising procured by means of corruption. With this, I would like to end this video. I hope you like this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and do follow me on Facebook. Thank you.